The sixth form of the Mother Divine is Katyayani, worshipped on the sixth day of Navratri. She is also known as Goddess of Power and is believed to be one of the most violent forms of Ma Durga. Goddess Katyayani has 3 eyes and 4 hands. She holds a sword in one of her left hand and a lotus in another. Her right hands can be seen in the Varada Mudra, that is, bestowing boons, and Abhaya Mudra, representing the removal of fear, benevolence, and protection. She rides a lion, symbolizing her power and strength. Devotees believe that worshipping Goddess Katyayani can grant them courage, protection, and the ability to overcome obstacles in life. Her fierce form represents the destruction of evil force and the victory of good over evil and protection. Legend associated with Goddess Katyayani. There lived a sage named Katyayana who is an ardent devotee of Parashakti. He worshipped the goddess in many ways and wished to have her as his child. So he had done great penance and worshipped the Devi with utmost devotion to get the goddess Shakti as his daughter. Pleased by the devotion, Devi appeared before Rishi Katyayana and told him that your wish will be fulfilled in the near future. On the other hand, demon Mahishasura got the throne of the Asura kingdom from his father. He had done a great penance on Brahma and got several boons, along with the boon of invincibility on all the beings. But he did not include women in that list, thinking that they won't be a serious threat to him. Later, with the mighty power he acquired, he raised a war against Devaloka and defeated Indra and brought Devaloka under his control. Unable to bear the illegitimate actions of Mahishasura, the ultimate gods Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva decided to put an end to his wrongdoings and together emitted a massive flame from which emerged Devi Katyayani with the brilliance of innumerable suns. With the 3 eyes, 18 arms, and a flowing black hair, she was magnificent. While the heavenly beings bowed to her, the gods armed her fully with powerful weapons like trident, discus, conch, dart, sword and shield, bow and arrow, thunderbolt, mace, and battle axe, and also with a rosary and water pot. The goddess then proceeded straight to her lion mount along with her army to take on Mahishasura. However, bowled over by her dazzling beauty, the demon insisted of engaging her in a battle, simply asked for her hand. But the goddess smiled and told him to win over her first. Then they fought a terrible war, at the end of which the goddess defeated the demon comprehensively and cut off his head with her sword. The grateful world celebrated Devi Katyayani's great victory and hailed this slayer of Mahishasura as Mahishasura Mardini. Devi Katyayani governs the planet Brihaspati. She symbolizes intelligence and peace. It is said that the blessing of Goddess Katyayani can wash away the sins of the worshippers, remove negative forces, and clear hurdles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.